ठीक है, अब ये क्वेश्चन देखो. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 6 ऑफ एच सी वर्मा. करेक्ट. अ पर्सन इज मैनेजिंग टू बी एट रेस्ट बिटवीन टू वर्टिकल वॉल्स by pressing one wall A by his hands and feet and the other wall B by his back. This is wall B, this is wall A. Here he is pressing the wall A with his hands and feet, and here he is pressing the wall B with his back. Okay, the person is mass 40 kg. Assume that the friction coefficient between his body and the walls is 0.8 and that limiting friction acts at all the contacts. Limiting friction is acting. Okay, show that the person pushes the two walls with equal force. Find the normal force exerted by either wall on the person. Okay, so here's the person over here with us now. So the he is pushing the wall, so in reaction the wall will push him back. So this is a normal force acting from the wall B, NB. Here we have normal force from wall 1, that is Na, but it is Na1. Then here on the feet we have Na2. Okay, so what is the total force applied by him on the wall A? So total force applied by him on the wall A will be Na1 plus Na2, the total normal force. Okay, तो अब देखो, सबसे पहले तो हम इतनी एफवीडी में सॉल्व करते हैं. पहले नॉर्मल फोर्स को निकालते हैं. तो अलोंग हॉरिजॉन्टल क्या होगा? नेट फोर्स शुड बी जीरो. तो यहाँ पे नेट फोर्स क्या है? ये तीन फोर्स लग रही हैं, तो बी माइनस Na1 माइनस Na2 शुड बी जीरो. तो हमें क्या मिला? बी इज इक्वल टू Na1 प्लस Na2, है ना? तो ये क्या है? दिस इज फोर्स ऑन वॉल बी, नॉर्मल फोर्स ऑन वॉल बी, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू टोटल नॉर्मल फोर्स ऑन वॉल ए, है ना? तो ये दोनों मतलब इक्वल हो गए. यही पहले पार्ट में पूछा था कि शो दैट द नॉर्मल फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय द पर्सन ऑन बोथ द वॉल्स इज इक्वल. सो दिस इज प्रूव्ड. ओके, अब वापस जाते हैं डायग्राम पे. नाउ gravity is pulling the person downwards. Okay, gravity is pulling the person downwards with force mg. Here wall B will be applying a frictional force fb. Here wall B is applying a frictional force fb1. Here, sorry, it's fa1 and fa2. Okay, it's fa1 and fa2. So these are the frictional forces acting. The question says that all the frictional forces are limiting frictional forces. That means we can say that fb equal to mu nb. Okay, fa1 is equal to mu na1, fa2 equal to mu na2, where mu is given how much? 0.8. Correct. And mg is how much? Mass of the person is given to be 40 kg. So mg will be equal to 400 Newton. Okay, so now it's simple. Vertical forces should balance each other. So mg means 400 should be equal to fb plus fa1 plus fa2. So along vertical I can write down now. So mg downwards, mg is how much? 400 downwards, is equal to fb plus fa1 plus fa2. fb is what? Mu nb. fa1 is what? Mu na1. fa2 is what? Mu na2. So this is equal to mu times nb plus na1 plus na2 will be equal to na. And we just learned that nb is equal to na. So we can write this down as 2 mu na is equal to 2 mu nb. That is your 400, right? So na equal to nb will be equal to 400 by 2 mu. Mu की वैल्यू दी हुई है 0.8. So 400 by 2 times 0.8. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will be equal to 250 newtons. That's your normal force applied on each wall. Okay, so simple question solved.